Everyone, it's time for an update of your Saturday night's weather conditions, and from our satellite loop we see that it's been a cloudy day over most of South Africa with this low pressure system that's still moving through the central parts, and here we can clearly see the circulation of that low now along the border between the Free State and the Northern Cape. This has resulted in a lot of cloud across the interior of the country, and because of this, temperatures have remained below 15 degrees from Gauteng all the way through to the far western interior of the country, as well as much of the Eastern Cape and even some areas in KZN. Showers continuing in places over the Free State and towards the east coast. Now we're going to continue seeing showers over those areas into the early evening, but in general the rainfall is going to be dissipating for much of South Africa. Could still see a few light showers over the Highveld later tonight. We are expecting a bit of snowfall as well for the high mountain tops of Lesotho, and some overnight fog is likely to develop over parts of the northern, western and eastern Cape, and perhaps even towards Limpopo and Mpumalanga in the northeast. A look ahead to Sunday, and there could be some early morning showers over parts of the Highveld, including in Gauteng. Much of that will have cleared out by sunrise. We are expecting a partly cloudy to clear day for most areas over the country, while we are likely to see it remaining quite cloudy down in the southern parts because of high cloud moving across the western and eastern Cape. An approaching cold front will bring some late evening rainfall down towards the far southwestern coastline. Let's take a look at your rainfall probabilities, and there is still that likelihood for snow over the mountain tops of Lesotho. Isolated showers for Gauteng, including Johannesburg and Pretoria, towards Rustenburg as well. We could see some showers reaching the eastern coastline. These areas over the northern and eastern Cape will see quite a lot of clearance taking place during the course of the early evening. A little bit of light rain still possible along the escarpment of Limpopo. Johannesburg tonight can still expect cloudy conditions, a likelihood for light showers, still quite gusty up to 30 kilometers per hour with a minimum of 8 degrees overnight. 10 degrees warmer tomorrow afternoon at 18, a much more pleasant day with partly cloudy conditions returning and lighter winds, allowing for temperatures to rise. Taking a look at minimums for the rest of the country, and it's going to be cold through the central parts, perhaps below freezing for some areas. 8 degrees for Johannesburg as we've seen, while Polokwane will be chilly at 6. 13 for Durban and Richards Bay, and single digits along the south coast. Sunday afternoon will be warmer in the Lowveld as well as down towards northern KwaZulu-Natal. Pietermaritzburg gets to a pleasant 23, but still cold for some parts of the Highveld, in particular the Free State and the high-lying areas of the northern, western and eastern Cape. On Monday, we're expecting showers to move up the east coast of the country, while Johannesburg gets to 20 degrees and Pretoria a high of 22. And on Tuesday, it remains sunny and mild for Gauteng and the surrounding areas, while conditions clear for the Western Cape.